Welcome back to Culbreth Mini Projects. A gal at our church has a tree limb that broke in a heavy storm a couple weeks back, and so she caught me last Sunday and said, hey, could you come look at it? I did look at it. It's way up there, but I've got my pole saw. We'll try to figure something out, but I'm going to guess it's probably 20 feet in the air, 20 to 25 feet. I'm going to take the Vermeer. Dad's got the dump trailer. We'll try to get in there, cut that up, get it out of there, and haul it away for her so she doesn't have to worry about it. So this will be a little bit of an adventure. I think our plan is we might even back the trailer to the branches. I might even need that just so we have, I have a little bit more reach standing in the bed of the trailer. But we'll get it figured out. So let's get going. We're here.
Hi.
So I think there was a chunk there and he probably just wrapped the rope and ripped it off because it was dangling way down here. But it flipped up in that tree and I thought, well, let's just cut the end of the tree off. Let it come down.
Oh,
so,
wow.
I got no more. It looks like he cut it. We've got the trailer in place. It's gonna give me an extra 3 foot of reach. I positioned it this way so I could walk back and forth in the trailer to get an angle to try to cut this branch, and then we'll get it to fall down. So if it hits the edge of the trailer, it's a pretty tough trailer. I think it's gonna be fine. Yeah, we'll just kind of experiment and see how it feels once we get this pole saw built. Cut these 2 lower branches first. Okay, I cut just a couple branches. The one I haven't even finished, I am staring directly in the sun. And if I go on that side, I feel like I'm in the danger zone, so I can't look away from the sun. And this saw is long, but man, I mean, I can reach it and cut it, but I don't have a lot of control. When that thing comes down, it's gonna come down heavy. So if you look at this tree, it's actually built, it's going to be put together really well. The only oddball branch is honestly this lower branch. So I'm going to cut this branch at the lower side, but I'm going to do it out of the trailer so I'm up above it cutting it so that it'll fall below me and I won't get hurt. So we're going to modify our strategy slightly, and that's what happens. Get into it, try it, and then you can move forward. What do they say? A good plan executed violently today is far better than a perfect plan tomorrow. Okay, I think the strategy here is I'll just nip this a little bit just so that the bark doesn't peel into the main tree. On the bottom, I'll cut it. Once I get it on the ground, I get the trailer out of here. This will still be up in the tree, likely. I'll use the Vermeer to grab it and hold it and protect me while I finish my cut.
Yeah.
Take a couple shots. All right, a little too far.
Yay! The crowd goes wild. Woo!
You know, in a previous video, I was referenced as the family fatty. So thanks for that, Peyton. I guess I got fatty duty again here, pushing this down. You want me to hold that? Nope. Yeah, I think it'll tarp right over. We've got all the branches in here. We put this tarp over it, and it's kind of a, I don't know, it's a rubbery plastic tarp. It's got a little stretch to it, but it seems to be okay. I always worry about poking holes in it, but I got in there and pushed it all down, so we should be good. Dad's gonna back the truck up. He's gonna haul this stuff back to his house, dump it where we can actually burn it on a safer, less windy day. It's really dry out right now too, so we'll wait for it to rain or something like that. We might even burn it in the winter when it snows, but anyways, we'll get this thing hooked up. I'm gonna go in the back, continue to cut logs. We'll make one more trip out of here. Get all these set up so I can grab them with the grapple. wrapped up. Time for a glass of, well, I'm gonna finish my coffee and then I'm gonna go get some iced tea in there. We've got the wood loaded up. We'll get this dumped at the house. And then I think we're gonna get the dog shaved or something this afternoon. So another good half-day project. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit those notifications for more content. Thanks.